POI, or points of interest, are created by you or by the Greenbox community. POI are geozones that can be drawn on a map. These areas could be anything: parking, landscapes, buildings, limited access areas. Anything, really. You can use POI to create events every time that your vehicle or device enters or exits any POI. Start by visiting the Settings page and click Edit POI. Here you'll find all POI published by the Greenbox community, public POI, and those created by you, my POI. Let's have a look at how to create a POI. Name your POI. Select one category. Define which shape best suits your POI: circle, rectangle, or polygon. Click on View Edit Area to open the map and create or edit your POI. Once you're done, click Save. Now you get to decide whether to make the POI public or keep it private. Save it. Your newly created POI will appear on the POI list. Click on Add Event to choose the event type and to pair the POI with any device for which you wish to receive that event. Save it, and it's done. Public POI can be created in an almost identical way. For instance, we will create a POI named Area C, a restricted traffic zone of the city center of Milan. Let's choose Transportation as a category and make our POI public. All we need to do now is to draw Area C on the map and save it. The POI, before going public, must be verified. In the app Reports page, you will find a list of all the events generated by your POI. To get POI notifications on your smartphone, visit the app Settings page and place the POI switch in On position.